Test. Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Testing 1 2 1. Yeah, perfect. Alright, let's get it. First things first. Open journal. Today's daily report card. Economic calendar. We had unemployment claims and a bunch of other stuff that got cleared. I think this was it. This little pump. Am I showing the right thing? Yes, I do. Little pump right here. Not a lot. At 3 o'clock we also have existing home sales. Not sure how impactful that's going to be. No. High time frame.
Right or right out?
That's right. Overnight, pretty big gap up. From here actually. Due to Nvidia earnings. We have been bouncing within this. I think this is a few days, 3 days CVA. Finding a little bit of a resistance here. Obviously I am on the market profile side, I am bullish. It's a bullish sign because we had this CVA, went down, bounced around, established some value, gapped up, and now we're here. So that in itself is a bullish sign. Can it still go lower? Absolutely. So there are a few scenarios here. Number one, a break and retest. Boom. Number 2, break, fail, retest to continue traversing. So number 1, number 2. So 270s is a good line in the sand. 270s, 280s, whatever. In that ballpark, areas, not lines. On the monthly, we are within. So yesterday, -2, right in -2, boom, reoffer -1, back to -2, back into this month's value, prior month's value. Now we are edging 280s, monthly VWAP. Another confluent point, 280s to there were 70, 80s, areas, not lines. That's another bull sign, right? So doing something like this would be nice. Or a rejection, similar idea, right? 860s, 960s. So 960s rebid could be interesting. The bottom area of this gap. Obviously, if we are going to fill the gap, 800 rebid would be interesting as well. But we'll get there when we get there. Now, on the weekly is most interesting because it's most conflicting. On the monthly, traversing value ultimately to 25,700 would be amazing. However, and also on the market profile, 530s would be a nice target as well. However, on the weekly, traversed value, hit +2, +1, +2 again. We are inside of the prior week value now, so ultimately traversing it would be nice. However, we are at an extreme. So maybe we sell off to +1, find a bid that will accelerate us forward. So 2540, where's that? 2540 would be an interesting line at this end. Yeah, for a continued imbalance up. Obviously pre-market we did bounce off of it. Perhaps something like this would be nice, or something like this, like a fail and retest, even better. Fail to hold inside value, reclaim above, retest, continue pushing up. Okay, that's what I have so far. Obviously intraday, if something screams at me, I will take it as well. Paste. So to recap, number 1, gap up after NVIDIA news, bull sign. Number 2, inside of a CVA came from below CVA, bull sign. In monthly VWAP inside prior value and current month's value, bull sign to traverse value. Weekly VWAP inside prior value, but at +2 already. Imbalanced up, bull sign At an extreme doesn't mean short. Just wait for +1 retest to continue pushing up. Okay. So 2 lines in the sand, 25 040s for support, 25 280s for line in the sand. I think that's all I got. I'm gonna put it back to execution chart. 240s right here. We're gonna open soon in 4 minutes. I'm gonna narrate what I see. I hope my adjusted study will not start screaming at me the moment we go RTH, +1 touch, +2 touch. Hope that doesn't go off anymore. One minute. A few deep breaths.
Every moment in the market is unique.
Every moment in the market is unique. Okay.
Big sell.
Cumulative delta doesn't reset. That's not good. It's annoying. Have to figure that out. Update. Why it's not updated? No. Yeah. This is indeed annoying. Okay, a little sell-off. Delta, cumulative delta, simple delta. 60. Why is it not restarting? I have this. This one is good. But the other one isn't. Okay, anyway. I'll have to turn it off. Turn this one on. Have to figure it out. Do it like it used to be. So, we had a little push. Sellers pressed in. Now buyers are trying again. Where are we on the higher time frame? Weekly +2. Interesting. Is VWAP holding? VWAP is not holding. So that's a sign of a rotational environment, but we are 2 minutes in. So that's kind of whatever. What is this push down? 70 points, 60 points.
Big buy.
So far sellers are trying. Although this is not good. I hate that it's jumping, this fucking cumulative delta yoke. Monthly VWAP is at 280s. Weekly +2. It's a good spot to reject. Why is this not working now? What is this? Is my feed delayed? 33, 33, no. So what the fuck is this then? Speed gauge, bro. Come on, wake up. Top left. Top right. It's not working. Anyway, lock in on the price. Lock in on the price. Sellers seem to be pressing. We just hit overnight point of control.
Big buy.
160s. And find in bid from there. Interesting. So far the range is 100 points. A VWAP? I mean, interesting. We pushed up, but the buying, not on a very strong buying. If VWAP holds, yeah, it's not holding.
NQ, plus 1 touch.
Here it says minus 20, here it says minus 300. Are you kidding me? Like, I need to get this fixed. I don't know what the fuck.
Big buy.
Minus 300. Is this absorption we're witnessing
Big
right
buy.
now? We're at delta neutral.
Bias check-in.
Sellers need
What
to
is the
press in
current
here.
outlook? Are you trading what is? Are we imbalanced / trending or rotational? Is VWAP holding?
Well, we have 2 bounces off of minus 2. Sellers did press in. It's quite balanced so far. The profile. I will have to go soon though.
Big sell.
Minus 80. Sellers are pressing. Our buy is gonna buy it up. The last 10 candles, we are definitely higher. Yeah, I did have an urge to press the buy button, but now it's too late. Breeze, man, breeze. Why are you shaking your legs? Okay, minus 400 to delta neutral. But there seems to be no interest to buy further. Or am I wrong? Value area for the day is quite small. Rejecting extreme. I mean, so far this does not look interesting at all. There's no direction. Probably gonna pop one way. 220s is an interesting spot that seems to be getting rejected. We're still not positive on the delta
Anything can
overall.
happen.
And we push to +2 for a little sell. Very extreme fade in the rotational environment. Let's see what's happening on the dawn. We have 20 minutes until existing home sale. I don't want to initiate around RTH VWAP, to be honest. The profile is very balanced. Sellers are pressing, but they're not getting rewarded for much.
Big buy. NQ, +1 touch.
Did have an urge to press buy, but we're at VWAP. Can we get something? Can we get some movement out of this range? Or, I mean, still 100 points range is just super squashed on my screen. We're still we're still below zero on the cumulative delta. The sellers are pressing now. Whoa. It's pretty big buy up. But I don't know. So far it's just going up and down in this 50-point range.
Big sell.
Big sell. Struggling to keep it, find the direction. We're losing this point of control at 160s. That's nice. That's a pretty big sell-off on the cumulative delta. Can we traverse this value area until 25,000 at least? I would love a reoffer here. But we are rotational, right?
Big buy. Big buy.
Finally.
Big buy.
This squiggly yellow line right here, guys. It's a good one. It's a good one. See it over here too on gold. Very good. You think I could make a killing if I like pivoted and I just made like a signal service?
Big sell.
But I won't tell anyone it's actually just VWAP, and I would just
Big sell.
You're long above it, short below it.
I would just literally like wait till price is VWAP somewhere and put the signal on.
I mean,
That might be the best business model yet.
I think there's a lot of stupid things people pay money for in the space, so probably. What's my time frame for the week open? Yeah, the opening print for the Globex Open at 6 Eastern on Sunday. Still just a choppy mess.
Hey, don't get any chat got a kick out of that. Don't get any ideas, all right? That's my idea. This
Okay,
is
I want to short this, but buyers aren't doing a whole lot.
very compelling, this action. Gold looks like it's just like, well, I'm gonna take off.
Big sell.
Very cool. Very cool 15-minute candle. That just closed.
They're gonna dump it, really?
NQ, minus one
What are we
touch.
doing? What is this? No. I have no edge. Guys, we're just like whipsawing back like 7 points in the S. I mean, the RTH profile so far on NQ is like a perfect D shape. Reminds me of the wedge that was forming like all afternoon yesterday.
Yep, apple butter's got it right. Let it figure itself out. What's the hurry?
Yep.
Gold is, yeah. Yep.
Gold in its feelings again.
Let's see if it can push past. I think we'll be trading gold, man. Pretty decent hold. NQ's the tape is actually turning for NQ. More bid than sell for once. Maybe this will be the start where they can start to blow through the 300s. Just need to see a build. I want to see a build that can show me that there is interest now in a range where there was none. And that would be a build in this range. So 300s, 250s, 260s to 300s can
There.
confirm a lot of things.
There.
We'll wait and see. I'm not trying to get trapped, that's for sure. Yes, actually, wow, this thing went big, huh?
Mm-hmm.
There is insane positive delta being put in right now, so they better get what they want, or nobody gets what they want, and we're stuck.
I continually monitor my susceptibility for making errors.
Market just wants to trap everybody. There's just not enough participation, man.
I mean, that move up yesterday and then the liquidation was pretty disgusting.
Arvol is above 100.
It is.
Man, we need to see some participation.
NQ does not look good there. Coming up, just piercing above the overnight high and rejecting again.
Yeah, it's where they need to be putting in volume. They're still putting in none. So it's not bullish. It's not bearish. You know, just have no idea. And gold is doing the thing. Yep.
There it goes. Gold heading to overnight high.
Gold is doing the thing. See if they can hold the 90s in gold, and I might look for a bid. Or else it's a failed move and the offer is gonna be
NQ,
nasty.
plus 1 touch.
Yeah, so my thinking in gold is now that they're getting continuation in this low volume spot, if they pull back and retest this volume here and they can hold it, it would show me that they are now looking to go towards this 120s. And then they're going to make the next decision. Are we going to go above this, or it's going to fail again and go back? Just decision by decision. NQ still nothing. Not enough participation in Q. And doing it without us. Yup. Yup.
Big buy.
I mean, honestly, gold did give some opportunities. I just wasn't paying attention. This isn't too bad here. Higher low holds with the stab. Minimized risk. Big upside. In hindsight, yes. I noted earlier pre-market too that as they're poking into this prior candle's range, they're just wicking off of it. This is setting up for a decision, and the decision is likely going to be up and through. We got that, and that range that they're wicking off of is this range. So yeah, these were pretty good because you can just risk a tiny bit for a big move too. So we definitely missed that. Life goes on. It's quite a build in gold here. A lot of offer coming in. They'll probably pull back, and I'm going to see where they're going to hold this. If they hold it. Oh, my bad. You guys couldn't see all that stuff. Eight ticks on the delta profile in gold for me. My bad, chat. My bad.
Man, this is just a choppy mess.
Dude, yeah. This is, we are working with a gap. I really think the easier trade is the upside, but they're just not doing as good of a job as we thought they could, honestly. It really isn't like there's crazy supply. In my view, it's not like there's crazy supply up here. It's just that there is selling pressure, but it's aggressive selling. It's not passive. And when they get to a spot where they can lift through, there's just not enough participation on buy side to lift it through.
Right.
I think when the selling finally, if and when it finally shuts off, though, this thing actually can fly. Just got to get them out of the way. They're still trying. Hopefully it's fuel.
Some shenanigans going on here on yes.
The food bank trade, that's VWAP. Both gold and NQ just VWAP buy. But conditions, I don't like it. I don't like these conditions here, especially off the open. Like, it's just doing nothing, or just making no choices. Really, I don't like to engage with that kind of stuff. How do I know that? How do I know what? I actually know very little. You guys will come to find that. Everything is speculation. Long gold 4 a.m. Yeah, that's a good. So you're long at what, the 40s down here? And this green box paying. The move cannot have enough participation. Well, you can just see the volume. They're not building volume, right? They're getting to where they have a chance to build volume and show the interest, and they're just not showing it. There's no willingness to buy in that range just yet. So I'm just waiting for that to show up. But to be fair, there is still a lot of market selling that they're trying to hold against.
NQ plus
So
2 touch.
That's why I was saying as soon as the market selling can kind of like chill out, it's probably gonna rip because,
Big sell.
well, I think that's what's holding us in the range. It's there's some market selling going on.
Big
I
buy.
think he's gonna pop this high. Yep, there it goes.
Big sell.
Whoa, gold.
Gold, yeah, just dumped off that 100 spot again.
I want to look for bonds and gold. NQ.
Big sell.
It's gonna be hard to get on.
Big sell.